morning, everyone. This year is the 500th year of the foundation of the Society of Jesus. Its founder was Saint Ignatius. Ignatius of Loyola was a soldier who was hit by a cannonball during a battle. While recuperating from his injuries, he started reading a lot about religion and thought of laying the foundation of the Society of Jesus. Myself, Sharmila Banerjee, would like to introduce you to the first principle and foundation of Saint Ignatius. Saint Ignatius believed that the goal of our life is to live with God forever. God, who loves us, gave us life. Our own response to his love allows God's life to flow into us without limit. All the things in this world are gifts of God, presented to us so that we can know God more clearly and return his love more readily. We appreciate and use all these gifts of God in so far as they help us develop as loving persons. But if any of these gifts become more important than God in our lives, they hinder our growth towards our goal. In everyday life, then, we must hold ourselves in balance before all of these created gifts, insofar as we have a choice and are not bound by some obligation. We should not fix our desires on health or sickness, wealth or poverty, success or failure, a long life or a short one. For everything has the potential of calling forth in us a deeper response to our life in God. Our only desire and our one choice should be this: I want and I choose what better leads to God's deepening his life in me. So, let us continue imbibing these values by Saint Ignatius. Let us conclude with a prayer. Lord, thank you for the gifts you have given us. Help us to appreciate them and use them well. Help us to serve you better with gratitude in our hearts. Amen.